Good morning, students, and welcome to today's English spelling class. Dear students, today we will start column 2. The first word of column 2 is multiplication. Say together, multiplication. multiplication. Multiplication, and you have to learn the multiplication tables and revise it every day. Learn your multiplication tables. Comparison. COMPARISON. Comparison means to compare. We have learned in standard 2 the adjectives of comparison like big, bigger, biggest. When we compare two things, we use the comparative form, and when there are more than two things, then it is superlative form. Gigantic. GIGANTIC. The meaning of gigantic is huge or very big. Gigantic. University. UNIVERSITY. When you become big, when you finish standard 12, then you go to an university. Intelligence. INTELLIGENCE. Intelligent means that the girls who can think fast, learn fast, they are called intelligent girls. They can think on their own, they can learn on their own, then we say that they are intelligent. Transactions. TRANSACTIONS. Again, transactions. TRANSACTIONS. Features. 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 And these are some of the features of the face. Information. INFORMATION. Information means to give knowledge about something, to tell about something. Like here, I am giving you the information about our planet Earth. When we write in the Google form, when your exams were conducted, we used to write, fill all the information correctly. That means you are giving information about yourself. According. ACCORDING. Again, according. 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 Now we are following our timetable. That means we are going according to our timetable. We are following our online timetable, and when we are in school, we follow the timetable, offline timetable. Communication. COMMUNICATION. Communication means to share your feelings with others or give information to others. Whatever is in your mind, whatever knowledge you have, when you share with others, you communicate with others. And now we have the TV. TV also is it gives you is a means of communication. Okay, it gives you a lot of information about what is going around the world. And sometimes children, you don't want to communicate, But you, even if you don't want to communicate, you should always share your feelings with others, with your father, mother, and whatever is in your mind, you should communicate with others. Practical, Practical. Practical. Practical means able to do or do useful things. Like not only learning, I know how to do something, but you also do it. That is like the little girl is helping her mother in the kitchen, helping her to clean the utensils. So this is a practical work. Receiving, Receiving. Receiving means to get something. Like I received a letter from my friend, I received an email from my friend. Accounts, Accounts. Like you have a Facebook account, you have a Google account. Exotic, EXOTIC. Exotic means very unusual, very different from others. So this is an exotic flower. Subtraction, SUBTRACTION. And subtraction, you know, subtraction means to become less. When you subtract, like 8 minus 5, first it was 8, now it is getting less, you are subtracting 5 from it. So subtraction, SUBTRACTION. So these are the words for today. Write them in your English spelling copy. Thank you and have a nice day.